Hello YouTube, this is Totally Lucky 65, and today guys I got a couple packs just to open, some random pack openings. 2 Galactic Overlord and 2 Generation 4, so let's get started. All cards for trade and sale, like always. And a rare wind-up magician. Alright, so let's take the wind-up, because I'm making a wind-up deck. And a rare Sea Lancer. And nothing else that good. So those packs were duds. Now onto the Galactic Overlord. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. It just looks like it's going to be rare. And a rare diversity. What? I didn't go on it.
Huh?
I didn't want to go on it.
Oh, the user works.
Alright. Sorry about that. Last pack. Let's hope for something. No, we got black, so we'll see. Oh. Wow. And just a rare. Wow. Well, so that just sucked. You guys want any of these cards? I don't know if you guys are gonna want any. Probably just do commons for like 25 cents each. So hit me up with any offers. Thanks again for watching YouTube.